If you currently have a child support order in Washington and you want to modify it, you can absolutely do that. But there's going to be some things that you need to happen for you to be able to do that. We call it a substantial change of circumstances. And so you are going to want to come in, talk to an attorney, and make sure you understand what are the reasons that would allow for modification and what are the reasons that would not. Sometimes people say things like, well, I moved and I got an apartment and now I have 2 bedrooms and not one, or I have 2 baths, not one. You might not get to change your child support obligation because of that. Or if you're on the receiving end, you might not get an increase in your child support because of that decision that you made. You have to come in and understand. One of the big issues, though, in Washington regarding child support has to do with secondary education costs. Many cases are reserved on that, where there's been no order put in place on how are we paying for college for this family. What is that going to look like? So if you have a child in high school, I actually recommend talking to an attorney in that freshman or sophomore year so you can understand what needs to be done later to make sure you're addressing the college issue, because that is a big issue when we're looking at modification of child support.